Alright, here's my wife's bike. She ran over something, looks like a nail. I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it. You take your tire plug kit, get your gloves on first. Let's go ahead and ream it. You're gonna push whatever it is all the way through. Oh, I don't know, let's pull this one out for fun. Let's see what it is. 1 second. Okay, here we go. Yum, yum. Alright. I could be a dentist. Oh, maybe not. Ooh, I hurt my thumb. Hold on, I gotta call my mom. Okay, she didn't answer. Let's just get back to this. So, I think what I'm gonna do is just pick it out. It looked like it was just gonna come out with the pick. Yeah. Hopefully it's got the person's name on it. We can send them a bill. Let's see. Oh. What do we got? No way. It's like nothing. But it went through. Alright. So let's get that in the proper place. And I'll show you how to ream this out. Okay. Here we go. We're through. Then you want to aggressively go like this. Oh no! We definitely have a flat now. Okay. You're gonna take your plug and you're gonna insert it into the plug inserter, which this is never fun. I haven't done one of these in years. I don't even think you do it like that. I think you pinch it through like this. It's been a minute. Hold up. Do I have to Google how to do my own video? Can I do not. I know it's best to get it lubed up before you pull it through, right? But it's not what we're gonna do here today. Ah! Where are we? There's a Ninja